This is Project Shilo, an E.C.D custom Series 2A, built to our client's exact specification. Shilo is painted in a Mercedes desert sand with black accents all round. Shilo sits on 1983 18-inch Cairn wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This Series 2 features a front-runner roof rack with 4 LED spotlights, E.C.D metal steering guard and a classic front bumper with worn winch. Inside, Shilo features a Momo Indy wood steering wheel with all American nickel gauges, black headliner, 2 Corbeau trail cats front and mid row, and 2 benches in the load area. Each seat is finished in Garrett Spice leather with a vertical diamond pattern stitched together in light brown. This Series 2 also features the E.C.D partially extended centre console. Shilo is powered by our California compliant GM drivetrain with 6-speed automatic transmission. Shilo also features an array of modern amenities such as JL audio sound system, wireless charging, Bluetooth audio and access to USB ports throughout. Project Shilo is a superb example of a modern classic. This vehicle is reminiscent of the Camel Trophy Land Rovers with the desert sand colourway that comes with all the modern luxuries you would expect in a new Range Rover.